Hi, I'm Anthony, and this is Red Smile Bick. Today is my dad's birthday, and he really loves brownies. So we're gonna make him a berry patch brownie pizza. We're gonna need a brownie box, following the instructions. A vanilla pudding box, also following the instructions. A whipped cream box, blueberries and strawberries, which my assistant Olivia will wash the blueberries and strawberries and cut the strawberries. Here you go. And also carry this one too. Okay, now that we got the brownie mix poured in, let's put the water. The oil. And the egg. Okay, after we're done washing our hands, it's time to put the fudge. Oh, that's good enough. Then we whisk it. I'm done, Anthony. Okay, just put it here and then you can leave. Okay, so now that we're done with the batter, you're gonna get your dish and grease it. Okay, so now that we greased your pan and got the batter, we're gonna put this in the sink. But before that, I'm gonna take this batter off. Now that we did that, I'll put it in the sink and pour the batter in. Okay, so now that we got it poured in, my mom's gonna put in the oven at 325 degrees for 40 minutes. Now let me go get it. While our brownie's baking, we're gonna make the vanilla pudding. Let's add the powder. When it gets stiff, put your whipped cream in it. Now that's stiffening up, let's add our whipped topping to it. Pour as much as you like into it. I'm gonna use the whole box. Okay, now let's keep mixing. Now we fold it. And once you're done folding, put it in the fridge until the brownie's done and cooled down. And then we'll start putting it together. This is what it's gonna look like when we're done folding it. Now we decorate. We're gonna try to have it like a pizza. A little bit of the outside will just be brownie. Now we add the toppings. Okay, now we have our berry patch brownie done. Like and subscribe and watch our next video.